It's very rare that after a movie has ended, I have seen the whole theatre get up and applaud. That happened when I was seeing D-Day, and that is thanks to when Rudra Pratap Singh kills the most wanted.
Max out, yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's just Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
But that has to be the climax, right?
I don't think anybody anticipated it, but I think yes, you should go and see this film and see how it's done now, since you've let the cat out of the bag. And yeah, when people stand up and clap, that's exactly how I wanted them to react, because I think it just brings in that whole patriotic feel to them, you know, and you say, yes, that's where you got to do it. And I think the best compliments you get is, did this really happen? Has this happened somewhere? You know, when people start asking that, did a mission like this, was it attempted? You know,
people think that
yeah,
it
people
is a real
think,
life adaptation.
yeah, people think that. Okay, a lot of people say we can't wait for this day really to happen.
In real life.
Yeah, so I don't know if I should say more, but yeah, yeah, but you know, but that's the way it is.
There are also many people who are saying that this might just bring in the second national award for Arjun Rampal.
Really?
Yes, I've heard a lot of that.
Yeah, wow. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if I want to win
Rock
an
on was a
award,
surprise, so this
yeah,
might also be a
if I want to win an award, it's definitely the national award again. So yeah, I hope. Let's see, fingers crossed.
And you know, the way you said in the first question that in real life many people would want that kind of a climax was shown in D-Day. Do you think in real life there's lack of political will to actually go down and do something like that? Maybe like what US did for Osama? Because he is the most wanted person in our country.
You know, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's political will or what it is. I think when Nikhil came and he said, if the Americans can do it, why can't we? And can we do it in a film? And can we show it happen in a film? And I said, if it's done realistically and really well, then why not? Let's be a part of it, because this is a fantasy of a billion people.
And what about the friendship which come along with Salman and Shah Rukh again? You're close to Shah Rukh, so that's the news.
I have. How can I give an answer to anybody else's thing? I think it's great when people are friends. It's a small industry, and everybody should be friends.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.